Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create poll on WhatsApp. Creating a WhatsApp poll is a cakewalk, but there are a few key steps to keep in mind to ensure smooth sailing. Let's walk through the process together. Requirements of the latest version of the app. Before diving right in, it's essential to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. WhatsApp frequently releases updates with new features and enhancements, so staying up to date is crucial to access the full range of functionalities, including polls. Creating a poll on WhatsApp is easy as pie. Simply follow these straightforward steps. Entering poll question and option. Start by opening the chat or channel where you want to create the poll. Then, tap on the attachment icon or the paperclip symbol to access the menu of additional features. From there, select the poll option. Next, enter your poll questions in the designated field at the top of the screen. This question should be clear and concise, prompting participants to provide meaningful responses. Once you've crafted the perfect question, it's time to add your poll options. WhatsApp offers several customizable settings to tailor your poll to your specific needs. You can adjust settings such as the duration of the poll, allowing to set a deadline for participants to submit their votes. Additionally, you can choose whether participants can see the poll results in real time or wait until the poll concludes. Once you've entered your poll questions and options and adjusted the settings to your liking, it's time to unleash your creation upon the world. Simply tap the send button and your poll will be delivered to the selected chat or channel, ready for participants to cast their votes. As the creator of the poll, you'll receive notifications each time a participant casts their vote. This real-time feedback allows you to stay informed about the progress of the poll and track the responses as they roll in. Creating a WhatsApp poll is just the first step in leveraging this powerful feature for collaboration and decision-making. And that's all. Voting in WhatsApp poll is as simple as tapping a button. When a poll is shared in a chat or channel, participants will see the poll question along with the available options listed below. To cast their vote, users need only to tap on the option that best reflects their preference. But what if you change your mind after casting your vote? Alternatively, you can tap on the option you initially selected to remove it altogether. This flexibility ensures that participants can adjust their preferences as needed, allowing for fluid decision-making without locking users into their initial choices. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.